everyone, I'm Nancy. I'm from AOL CNC. Today I want to introduce my factory and my company and machine to you. Firstly, let me introduce my factory. My factory is around 11,000 square meters, and we have more than 100 employees. Let me introduce the details for you. Let's go. Now I want to introduce my most popular model, AOL 1060PS. It is mainly for cartoon, cardboard, sticker, label, PVC, and so on. Its cutting size is 700 millimeters by 1,000 millimeters. It is with auto loader and receiver. Now let me introduce the cutting tools. Here it is oscillating cutting tool. It is with CCD camera, a striking knife, caressing wheel, kiss cut and plot pen. Of course, it also be with weight cut.